Welcome back to our channel ERPZEN, your go-to channel for mastering Oracle Fusion Finance tutorials. In today's session, we will dive into AutoCopy of Journals feature, a powerful tool that saves time, reduces manual effort, and ensures accuracy in your financial flows. Whether you are an implementation consultant or a learner exploring Fusion, this tutorial will walk you step by step so you can apply it confidently in real-time projects. Benefit of AutoCopy of journals. Let's say we have created a general batch and a journal which user has created is having 100 lines and user needs to post the same entry where user needs to make only small changes to the journal. So in those scenarios, we can do AutoCopy of journals, and by using this functionality, we can duplicate any existing journal so user can do those minor changes to the journal, and user can post those journals, and this functionality will benefit the user since it saves a lot of time for data entry. Autocopy will work at general batch level. That means if the general batch is having 50 journals and it will copy entire 50 journals. So the workaround for this is to copy, if you want to copy a single journal, so the workaround for this is to copy the entire batch and delete the remaining journals within the general batch, and by using this functionality user can copy the general unlimited times. So now let's jump into the system and see how to do autocopy. Enter your credentials, click sign in, click on navigator, click on general accounting, click on journals. Now first let's create a journal. Click on create journal. I will show you how to delete the journals in batches also. General batch for expenses for April 2026. 2026. Now we will see general expenses. Now let's say general expenses. General expenses. The category takes some other category. One. Now select the accounting account. Say company, Paris, department as default, account, general expenses, general expenses, click on OK, hit search, okay, now combination is found, click on product, default, location, default, future one is default, and future two is also default. Hit OK button. Now say general expenses is 200. Now say cash account, Paris, department is default, account, cash account, right? Cash account, hit search. combination is available. So let's say 200. So within the general batch, we are going to create another general. So to create another general, click on plus icon, click on add. Now general expenses we have created. Now we'll create for stationery expenses. Yeah, stationery expenses, expenses, stationery expenses. Now select the code combination, company, department, account, stationery, stationery, default, location default, future one default, and future two is also default. Now hit OK. Now for this, it is 1000, 10,000. Sorry. Now enter cash account, enter cash account, hit search, select the code combination and hit OK. 10,000. Now say save. Sorry, you have to select the category approval. Now hit save. Now you can see there are two generals. Okay. Now post. Double one, double eight, 2129. That's it. Okay. Now the batch is posted. Now I want to copy this batch and create. I want to auto copy this batch. So click on batch actions, or else I will show you the navigation from first. General batch for expenses for April 2026. Hit cancel. Go to home. Click on navigator. Go click on general accounting. Click on generals. Click on task pane. Click on manage generals. Now hit search. Now this is our batch. General expenses. See, this is our batch. Now I want to copy the batch. Click on batch actions. Click on copy. Say prefix auto copy so that we can identify easily. Give accounting period and accounting date. Now hit OK button. Now the generals are automatically copied and you can see the source is auto copy. If you can see, there are two generals. Say for example, I don't want this general expenses general and I can delete this general. Yes, I want to delete this general. Now you can see only stationery expenses. And if you want to edit any field, you can do that. I want to uh, change the category to acquisition cost and the debit amount is $5,000, $5,000, and anything you can change, the name, the description, each and everything you can change. But the source is auto copy. Say save. and post. 11888213 has been submitted. Now click refresh. Now our autocopy journals are also posted. See, autocopy journal batch. It is posted, and you can see source is autocopy. And see, that's how. Click on home. Now search once the autocopy journal. Click on navigator, click on general accounting, click on generals, click on tasks or task pane, click on manage generals, hit search. See, you can see autocopy journal batch. See, now general batch. So this is how we can create autocopy journals. Click on. That's how you can efficiently use autocopy of journals in Oracle Fusion to streamline your accounting tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments. I would like to hear how you are using this feature in your projects. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay tuned for more Oracle Fusion insights. Thank you. Thank you very much.